For all you Stinger owners out there, let me show you the best way to maintaining and service your new Kia Stinger. And what I've got Will from our service department. He's going to run through a few things on maintaining your Kia Stinger.
No problems. If you could just pop the bonnet for me, I'll take you through a few items that you can do at home to try and maintain your Stinger. So everything basically that's in yellow, you can check yourself at home. So engine oil, and obviously you've got water over here. The rest of the stuff that's in this engine bay is maintained during your services, just like your air filters, your coolant and your coolant overflow, and also your brake fluid, which is up back there. Everything else is maintained by us at service, and we check that for you basically.
Now Will, what about tyre pressures? What's the best pressure to put on?
Anywhere from 36 to 38 PSI generally for these mid-size sedans. That gives you your best tyre wear and also best performance for the vehicle.
There are two things I could do at home. Can you please show me how to actually do it?
Of course, not a problem. So the two things include checking the engine oil level and also checking the water level. In relation to the engine oil level, you just basically pull it right out like this. This is the dipstick. You get down to this bottom end and you've got your engine oil level on that red part right there. So basically, just dunk it right in just to check the level. It's in there, pull it right out. You can see the engine oil comes right to that full mark. So this car's pretty much perfect. In relation to your engine oil itself, we don't advise to top the engine oil up unless it's necessary. We do recommend just leaving it as it is, and if you do have any concerns, to let us know and get you booked in to have a look. In relation to your water, it's pretty much as easy as opening this blue lid up, and you can see that the water level is full. As soon as it hits that full mark, you can stop filling it up.
For any other recommendations you'd like to see on our Kia Stinger or any Kia vehicles, please put it in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe.